Hello guys, it's me Na Hannah Star. Today I will show you how to edit picture by using dripping effects on PicsArt. So let's get started. The first thing you need to download PicsArt application on your app store, and then you just click on this icon. After that, we just browse our picture that we would like to edit by click on this button, and then you will see this menu all photo. You click here and you can browse your photo that you would like to edit. So now I will choose this photo, and next step you go to effect, this icon effect, click here, then choose undead effect. Okay, click on this effect, and after that you click here again. Then you will see some option that we can adjust. You can adjust this as you want. Okay, this like this. Okay, I will choose about 70, and then you click this menu again. This one, it will make our adjust better. See? Okay, after that click apply here, then go to effect again, and then you go to balance effect. You click here, okay, and click here again. You will see option that you can adjust, and then you can adjust as you want, maybe 70 to 80 as you want. Okay, I will choose 80. Okay, and you just click apply again. After that, we will remove our background here by click on cut out menu here, and then you just select your body like this. Okay, after that you click next, this icon. Make sure that it's already cover your body. You can click this button to edit this, and then you just click save here. Okay, and click next again, because we will save this photo first. Okay, and then click save, download photo. Okay, now this picture already saved on our gallery. Click done, and then we just click this button again. After that, scroll down. Okay, and we will choose our color background in white color. This we will add our photo that we save on our gallery. Click this button, add photo. Then you will see this photo that I saved a while ago. Okay, and click add. Then you can make it bigger like this. And click apply here. I will add sticker, drip sticker that I already download to my gallery. You will see I already download dripping effect to my gallery. Then we just choose the effect that we want. Okay, I will choose this effect, and then I will click add again. You will see this dripping effect that we will do. We just make it fit to our body. Okay, like this. You click on this menu, blend effect, and then you can select this effect. Lighten effects will make it awesome, like this. And you also can make it bigger or smaller, and you can rotate like this. But I like this. Okay. After that, you just click apply again. You see? And then you also can add some sticker to make it beautiful. Scroll. Then you can choose here in sticker option. Click on sticker, and you also can search the sticker that you want. Maybe I will try this one first. And then you can make it bigger. Then send this butterfly to the back. Click this option, this one, and then you just click this one, this option. See, now butterfly is already go to my back, like this. Okay, then click apply here. Click apply. Okay, I will add some sticker again. I will add some star. I can choose star here. See, I will choose this. We can try if it's okay. Okay, make it bigger, like this, and we will send it to my back. Click this option and click this one. Okay, see. Is this nice? Click this and we can move it like this. I will add some sticker more. Apply first. If you don't like, you can click undo here, like this, okay. Then you can add some sticker to make it beautiful. Okay, I will choose this one and make it fit to my head. Can make it bigger or smaller, like this. After that, if you like it, you can apply again and click next. Then click save it to your gallery and click download photo here. Now we already complete editing photo by dripping effect on PicsArt. Okay, we will go to our gallery to see that photo. Go to gallery Okay, this is picture that I edited by using dripping effect on PicsArt. You can design your photo as your style. And these are some pictures that I designed by dripping effect. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button to get more video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.